In today's world, we have these amazing tools called debit and credit cards. They make our lives so much easier. No more carrying wads of cash everywhere. With a simple swipe, you can buy groceries, book flights, or shop online. But with great convenience comes great responsibility. We need to use these cards wisely and safely. That's what this essay is all about. We'll dive deep into the world of debit and credit cards, exploring their benefits, risks, and how to use them like a pro. Imagine you're at a bustling market, ready to buy fresh fruits and vegetables. You could pay with cash, but wouldn't it be more convenient to swipe your card? That's the magic of debit and credit cards. They make transactions smooth and hassle-free. Plus, they offer a level of security that cash simply can't match. No more worrying about losing a big chunk of money if your wallet gets stolen. However, like any powerful tool, misusing these cards can lead to trouble. It's important to understand the difference between debit and credit, their pros and cons, and how to use them responsibly. So let's embark on this financial journey together. Let's learn how to be smart and safe with our money. First up, let's talk about debit cards. Think of a debit card as your digital wallet. It's directly linked to your bank account. When you use your debit card, the money is immediately deducted from your account. This means you're spending your own money, not borrowing it. It's like using cash but with added convenience. There are many different types of debit cards out there, like Visa and MasterCard. They all basically work the same way. You can use them to make purchases anywhere that accepts card payments. You can also use them to withdraw cash from ATMs. Debit cards are fantastic for several reasons. First, they help you stay within budget. Since you're spending your own money, you can't overspend and fall into debt. Second, they are generally free to use. Most banks don't charge any fees for using your debit card. However, debit cards also have a few downsides. One major disadvantage is that they don't help you build your credit score. Your credit score is like a financial report card. It tells lenders how responsible you are with borrowing and repaying money. Using a debit card doesn't affect your credit score because you're not borrowing any money. Another potential downside is that debit cards offer limited protection against fraud. If your card is lost or stolen and unauthorized transactions are made, you might have a harder time getting your money back compared to credit cards. To stay safe when using your debit card, always keep your PIN a secret. Never share it with anyone. Be cautious about using your card on unfamiliar websites or in suspicious situations. Regularly check your bank statements for any unauthorized transactions and report them immediately to your bank. Credit cards, on the other hand, work a bit differently. Instead of using your own money, you're borrowing money from the credit card company when you use a credit card. Think of it as a short-term loan. You'll need to repay the borrowed amount later, usually with interest. Like debit cards, credit cards also come in various types, each with its own perks and features. Popular options include Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. Some cards offer rewards programs, cashback offers, travel benefits, and more. One of the biggest advantages of using a credit card is that it helps you build your credit score. By using your card responsibly and paying your bills on time, you demonstrate good creditworthiness to lenders. This makes it easier to get loans, mortgages, or even rent an apartment in the future. Credit cards can also be lifesavers in emergencies. Imagine your car breaks down or you have an unexpected medical bill. If you don't have enough cash on hand, a credit card can provide the funds you need to cover the expense. However, credit cards come with a significant caveat: high interest rates. If you don't pay off your balance in full each month, you'll be charged interest on the remaining amount. This can quickly add up and lead you into a cycle of debt. Another downside is that some credit cards charge annual fees. These fees can vary depending on the card and its benefits. It's important to factor in these costs when choosing a credit card. To use credit cards wisely, always pay your bills on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. Set a spending limit for yourself and avoid using your credit card for impulse purchases. Treat your credit card like a tool for convenience and building credit, not as free money. Section 4. Weighing the pros and cons, debit versus credit. So which one should you choose, debit or credit? Well, the answer is that both cards have their place in a well-rounded financial plan. It all depends on your spending habits, financial goals, and how well you manage your money. Debit cards are excellent for everyday purchases and sticking to a budget. They give you the convenience of plastic without the risk of debt. They are a good option for those who are new to using cards or who tend to overspend. Credit cards, when used responsibly, can be valuable tools for building credit, earning rewards, and accessing emergency funds. They are more suitable for larger purchases, online transactions, and situations where you need extra financial security. Ultimately, the key is to strike a balance. Use a debit card for everyday spending and budget management. Consider getting a credit card for building credit and emergencies, but use it cautiously and pay off your balance in full each month. Section 5. Navigating the world of cards, safety, and smart choices. In conclusion, debit and credit cards are incredible tools that can simplify our financial lives. However, it's crucial to use them responsibly and protect ourselves from potential risks. Whether you're swiping your debit card at the grocery store or using your credit card for online shopping, always prioritize safety. Keep your card secure, shield your PIN when entering it, and be wary of suspicious websites or individuals. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about debit and credit cards, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. Stay informed, stay cautious, and use your cards wisely.